Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Libra, air sign. So this is January weekly reading and this is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa. So Libra, let's see what's going on and what are the messages for you. Yeah. So under the deck, King of Cups, someone is coming back and this person have strong emotions for you. They want to offer this cup of love to you. Yeah, this person want to offer stability. Okay, if you are in relationship with your person, definitely they want to take this relationship to next level, Libra. So let's see what's going on, your connection. In recent past, 8 of Swords, Justice and 4 of Swords. I think you are not in contact with your person. I think you are feeling stuck. Maybe you cut them off and for some you are undergoing some healing process, 4 of Swords, but thinking about them a lot. Yeah, some healing is going in your life right now, Libra, because 8 of Swords with 4 of Swords. I think you are feeling stuck sometimes when you are thinking about that person. Or yeah, 4 of Swords. There is no talking between both of you. Justice, maybe they are coming back for second chance. In past already they approached you. If not, definitely they are going to be. And what is going right now is the Star, 10 of Cups and 3 of Pentacles. Definitely someone from past is coming back for reconciliation. They are still hoping for this connection and they want to offer 10 of Cups this with you. And 3 of Pentacles, yeah, they want collaboration with you. I think in past there is no partnership, there is no equal give and take in this connection, but now they want reconciliation and they want to offer 10 of Cups and the Star. Yeah, they're still hoping for this connection and they see you as a star. And in near future energies, the Lovers, Page of Swords, Knight of Wands. Yeah, there is a lot of passion. Your person is very passionate about you. Maybe they are spying on you on social media, some message, communication. The Lovers, yeah, they love you. Love is there. The person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Gemini, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Aquarius also, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So what I'm seeing here, I think you maybe for some you cut them off due to it could be any reason, but you are thinking about them and you are undergoing some healing process also. But they are coming back with passion and they want to work on this relationship. So it's up to you, Libra, to give second chance or not, because it's your reading and it's your card is there. Justice, yeah. I think you stand by your power. You're taking your power back. Now they are coming back. The Lovers. I think your person may be using for your physical needs, what I'm saying, but they are not available when you want emotionally. So that's why you cut them off. But now they really want to work on this relationship and there is a lot of passion involved. And Knight of Wands. I think always knights in and out of your life that causing more insecurity and resistance. Maybe they are in and out of your life. They maybe in past they didn't offer stability, but now they're coming back to work on this relationship. So let's see your person current feelings and then near future actions towards you. Then we'll get more clarity what's going on. Yeah, Queen of Cups, your person current feelings. 6 of Cups. Yeah, Queen of Swords, communication. Yeah, a lot of water energy. Definitely they have strong emotions for you, Libra. Queen of Cups with 6 of Cups. Yeah, they have strong emotions. There is love. Definitely your person loves you and they want reconciliation with you, 6 of Cups. And they're thinking about reconciliation and they are coming back with a lot of passion and and this time they really want to work on this relationship. I think you both have strong soulmate and past life connections with each other. The person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Let's see the near future actions towards you. Ten of Wands, Eight of Wands, Two of Wands. Yeah, lot of fire energy. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yeah, they're feeling overburdened this time due to work pressure or family responsibilities. Yeah, your person is busy. And Eight of Wands, definitely they want to communicate to you. They want to express their feelings. Eight of Wands, you will be receive back and forth communication from your person and in near future. Libra and Two of Wands, yeah, they're thinking about you a lot. Definitely there is love. They really like you so much because they want reconciliation with you. They want to work on this relationship. And Two of Wands, this could be long distance relationship. Some traveling is also involved in this connection. But they're thinking about you a lot. Under the deck, Ace of Swords, definitely some communication. They want to express their feelings. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future and outcome. I want one more card. Yeah, Eight of Cups. Maybe under the deck, Wheel of Fortune. Maybe you person walked away for some. Now they are feeling regret. If you walked away, definitely they are thinking about to come towards you. Two of Swords. Maybe they are at some crossroads. They have to make some decision. But they are going to be choose you because they want reconciliation. They are thinking about reconciliation and some communication. Yeah, Nine of Pentacles means here your person may be abundant. They are already financially very stable. Yeah. I think the one person in this connection is very committed is you, Libra, because the Emperor and High Priestess, I think this time you are listening to inner voice and you are listening to higher self, what I'm getting here. Yeah. Someone in this connection is walked away from another person. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate. So I want one more card. Yeah, there is love between both of you. Two of Cups is there. Yeah, this could be soulmate connection and the world under the deck. Definitely some cycles are repeating between you and your person again and again, Libra. Yeah, they want reconciliation. Definitely they are waiting for the right time because Wheel of Fortune is also here under the deck. Yeah. But you are listening to inner voice. But they are coming back for reconciliation. They have strong emotions. And they are thinking about you a lot. For sure. Libra. So let's see your overall energy for the week. The person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your overall energy for the week. Ace of Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles. Hangman, and the Moon. The person involved in this connection could be Pisces also. Definitely there are some disturbances or misunderstandings between both of you. Yeah, you are also thinking about them a lot. But you are spiritually some transformation is going. And Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, this time your person is very sincere and they are coming back with stable offer. Yeah, Ace of Pentacles. I think you will get financial stability also in the month of January. Yeah. And in relationship, definitely your person want to offer stability. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. See Ace of Pentacles again. Ace of Pentacles, King of Wands, Five of Swords, yeah, Knight of Swords. Definitely there are some disturbances between both of you. Five of Swords. Yeah, they want to fix the things between both of you. Knight of Swords, they are rushing towards you. And King of Wands, yeah, your person is also stand by their power and there is a lot of passion involved in this connection. And Ace of Pentacles, yeah, they really want to offer this stability to you. Libra. Yeah, stability is coming in. They want reconciliation with you. But it's up to you what to do, what not to do. So let's see some more messages from Moon Oracle deck. A time for healing. Yeah, exactly. You got Four of Swords card. Definitely, I already told you, you are undergoing some healing process. Definitely, if you are going any trauma or any anxiety situation or any depression, it's time for healing for you, Libra. Yeah, a time for healing. So yeah, this is soulmate connection because Two of Cups is here. Definitely they are coming back and they want reconciliation because you both have strong soulmate connection with each other, because Two of Cups with Six of Cups. Yeah, if they are thinking about you a lot, you will get communication from your person, and yeah, they are going to be choose you, Libra. So it's up to you which decision you have to make. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.